Hi there. I wanted to give you a quick demonstration of how you can configure Google Analytics with the applications that you're building. We allow you to create custom events. By default, we also capture standard events, things like page views, and when that's automatically happens with using the metadata from screens and screen names and so on. When those load, you'll see those events in Google Analytics. However, if you wanted to, let's say, find out when people are clicking on certain buttons or interacting with your application, what you can do is you can come in and you can put a custom event in. This is the format of it. If that was deleted over there, you'll see there's a pro forma which tells you, just gives you an example. In this example, I have just created an event called custom event 1, and it takes some parameters of start and a value of woot. So when that button is clicked, it's going to put this to the Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics. So before you set this up, for your particular property, you're going to need to get your measurement ID. And what you're going to do is when you publish your application, if you look in your Manage Buzzy in the back end, what you'll be able to do over here is go into the settings and scroll down, and you'll be able to put that Google Analytics measurement ID in there. Now, I'm sharing this is just a test one, it's not going to be used for anything. There's also an API secret if you want to do server-based rules, but for the purposes of this, we're just talking about the client side, and that's all you need, is that. So now once that's set up on your application, what we'll see is that if we went to the application and we clicked that button, in this example I've just used the search demo, we could put events, for example, when you click on these different tabs, or you do something in the application like create a new one and so on. So you can create all those types of custom events, and then you can start to build your pipeline in Google Analytics. Now if we go into Google Analytics, if you go into the real-time view, over here we can have a look at the different events that are happening, and then what you'll see if you scroll down over here, we'll see that there's a custom event over here. The event count for me is 3. I can click into that. There's some standard information that we log for that, so you can use that as part of that custom event. And then you'll also see that there's our custom value that we put in start, and if we click into that, it's got a value of woot. So again, that maps back to what we did in the design over here for that button. We were passing the event of custom event, and then we passed some additional parameters. And obviously this is for you to customize, and then you can use that data in Google Analytics for understanding maybe how users are interacting or not interacting with the application. So hopefully that gives you a good quick overview of how to configure and set up Google Analytics with your applications that you're creating in Buzzy, and how you can track custom events. Thanks for watching.